Hey yo, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. If you're new to my channel, welcome, glad to have you here. Today I'm gonna be putting this wig on that you see me holding here. Yes, it's like a fall color wig. I'm not really sure what the color of this wig is, but I found it in my collection of wigs and I just thought that I'll put it on for fall. So yeah, it's a wig that I wore before and I'm gonna try and see if I could find a video for it so you guys could know who I got it from. First I'm gonna go ahead and put the stocking cap on, then I'm gonna use some bronzer to tone the color down so it will be more close to my skin complexion. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean my skin off with some alcohol. This will help to hold my lace on to my skin when I do apply what I'm using to hold it on. And what I'm using today is gonna be my Got To Be Glued Ultra Glued, and I'm gonna also be using this melting spray that I got from Amazon, and I will link that down in the description box for you guys. And let me tell y'all, I love that melting spray so much. It was my first time using it, and let me tell y'all, it exceeded my expectations so much that I really have to tell y'all about it. I don't know anything about it, I don't know who made it or whatever, but it was a really good melting spray. So this wig, I wore it one time before, but it really doesn't fit my head like I was expecting it to. I totally forgot how it did fit me the last time I wore it. I probably should have watched the video over, I don't know. But as you can see, you could see some of my own edges at the side of my head and stuff like that. And I can't really pull it too much more down because I already pulled it down so far enough. But right here I'm just trimming off some of the extra lace that's kind of what should I say, kinked, lift up a little bit. You know, the more you wear this wig is the more you gotta do to it when you have to wear it again. So yeah, I'm just fixing it up so it could look nice. So right here I'm just using my finger real quick, and I do not recommend this but I'm just making a little mark on my forehead where I want to put the gel so I don't put it too far down. That's all I'm doing. But you could use a eyeliner or something like that, maybe like a white one or a light brown one, you know, to do it, and then you rub it off after you add your gel or glue. And I'm gonna be adding 2 layers of the gel because I want it to stay on really good, but with the melting spray that I'm using, I really didn't even need to do 2 layers. And now I'm just drying it down some with my blow dryer, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put the wig down on it. So I did the front first, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do the sides because I found that it was so much easier doing it this way instead of doing the entire thing at once. Here I'm adding some of the melting spray, and like I said guys, this melting spray is the bomb.com. I absolutely love this thing. I think because it's new, it was coming out a little heavier than I wanted to, instead of like a little mist. But after I was using it over and over again throughout the process, it was coming out better instead of, you know, in a clot if you know what I mean. Here I'm just using the tail of the comb to get rid of any hair that may have gotten trapped under the lace, and I'm also using it to push the lace down into my skin. I want to tie my hair down at the front with an elastic band, so I'm gonna fix the parting up first, and I'm also gonna take out some baby hair because them baby hair are very well needed, especially because the wig did not cover my own hair at the side as much as I would want it to. I'm also gonna pluck these baby hair to make them thinner before I cut them. And I'm cutting them slightly above my brow in a slanted motion just to give it that really nice shape that I'm looking for. I know not everybody's a fan of the whole sideburn and baby hair, but believe me, sometimes with the type of wig you're putting on, you're definitely gonna need to do it. Before I lay these fake edges, I'm gonna curl them going upwards with my tiny flat iron. This is gonna help them to lay much better against my skin without using gel. So since I'm not using gel, I'm spraying some of my Got2b Glued Free Spray onto my edge brush, and then I'm gonna brush it into the hair and lay them how I want them. For some reason, y'all, when you do it this way, it looks so much more nicer, so much sleeker. I don't know, it just looks so much better. So try it this way, see how you like it. A lot of times I don't do it this way because I'm not gonna lie, I'm so scared of the flat iron burning me, and it has burned me before. So yeah, I'm scared of it burning me, but yeah, whenever I do it like this, I really like it. Now I'm gonna tie it down with my elastic band, and then I go ahead and work on the rest of the hair. Ooh, pretty. So yeah, I done did my makeup, y'all, and I'm back to finish up this wig. So let's go ahead and fix the part up and also fix them curls up, because we want it to look nice and curly and brand new, like it just got ripped out the plastic. Now I'm adding some edge wax stick around the parting because I want it to look nice and sleek. You know what I mean? We don't want no flyaway hair. We don't want it looking dry, nothing like that. So yeah, after I add the edge wax stick, I'm going over it with my hot comb because, like I said, we gotta have it looking nice and sleek. Now I'm gonna use my spray bottle with water, conditioner, and oil and wet this hair all over, because this is what gonna bring the curl back in. And a few days before putting this wig on, I washed it, I add conditioner, brush it through, all of that stuff, and it was just so relaxing doing that. As you can see here, that's what I was doing, and yeah, it's a really nice hair. I'm not gonna lie, it did not shred too much too when I was washing it. It did have a few, you know, strands of hair coming out of it, but it wasn't too much. I also added some leave-in conditioner on it after I washed it, because you know what they say, you gotta take care of your wig just like you would take care of the hair on your head. So I'm just finger combing the hair and rubbing my hands over it just to make sure I get it nicely saturated with the water. So now I'm gonna add some of this leave-in conditioner on it from African Pride, and the reason why I'm using this instead of what I usually use, I can't find that other product I usually use from Pantene. It's some kind of hydrating cream that I would use, but I can't find it nowhere. And again, I'm finger combing it just so I make sure I get the product all over the hair. Taking the elastic band off now, guys, just to see what it looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some concealer on the front of the hair where the elastic band was, just to make the parting brighten up a little bit. And I did add concealer on the rest of it. I'm not sure if I got that in the video, but I don't remember seeing that. So yeah, I did add some concealer on the rest of it. Now I'm gonna add some bronzer on my forehead, and that's because I had the elastic band there and I wasn't able to add it there, so now I'm doing that. And here's the finished look, you guys. I really like it. What do y'all think? The only thing I wish I didn't have to do is pull the wig down that much because I know I have a big forehead and it covers up a lot of my forehead here, and to me it's noticeable. Maybe to people that don't know me like that it wouldn't be, but that's my only, you know, fault with it. And I don't know what that white thing is in the back of my hair, but this is what the back looks like. I absolutely love it. I think the curls are stunning. I think the color is beautiful. I feel so ready for fall with this hair, you guys. I couldn't wait to go out and just enjoy the outdoor wearing this color. Like, I just think it's perfect for the season. I'm gonna try to find the original video for this hair and link it down below so you guys could find it, just in case you're interested. And I'm pretty sure if you buy it now, you may just get it in time for Thanksgiving. You know what I'm saying? I know some of you guys are not a fan of colored hair, but the good thing about wigs and braids is that you could switch it up. It's not anything permanent, so you could try different styles and see how you feel about them. So if you're new to my channel, thank you again so much for stopping by, and I hope you like my video enough to leave me a thumbs up, comment something, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love y'all. I hope you guys have a beautiful, lovely, wonderful, joyous holiday with your family, and enjoy the Thanksgiving. Don't eat too much, but yeah, I love y'all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.